What is a good substitute for nystatin? The appropriate substitute for nystatin would depend on the specific type of fungal infection being treated and its severity. Some alternative antifungal medications that may be used in place of nystatin include 1. Clotrimazole. This is an antifungal medication that is available in topical creams, lotions, and oral tablets. It is used to treat various fungal infections, including ringworm, athlete's foot, and jock itch. 2. Fluconazole. This is an antifungal medication that is available in oral tablets, injection, and topical formulations. It is used to treat a wide range of fungal infections, including yeast infections in the mouth, throat, and genital area, as well as fungal infections of the skin and nails. 3. Terbinafine. This is an antifungal medication that is available in topical creams and oral tablets. It is used to treat fungal infections of the skin and nails, including athlete's foot and ringworm. It is important to note that these medications may have different dosages, administration routes, and side effects compared to nystatin. Therefore, it is always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before switching to any alternative medication.